Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a custom status on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click your user profile area at the bottom left of the screen, which opens your user profile menu. Click Edit Profile from that menu to open the Set Your Status modal. Type your status text into the status field. For this example, I'm typing hello. Click the Clear Tomorrow at 12:53 a.m. dropdown to choose when your status expires. For this example, I'm selecting 1 hour, which sets the status to clear at 1:53 a.m. The drop-down closes, and your new expiry time appears where the previous one was. Click the Save button at the bottom of the modal. The Set Your Status modal closes, and your custom status is now active on your profile. Your custom status appears under your username anywhere you're visible on Discord, including in server member lists and direct messages. If you want to add an emoji to your status, click the emoji button next to the status text field before you save. You can change or remove your status at any time by opening your profile menu again and clicking Edit Profile. Just clear the text field and save to remove it completely. And that's how to set a custom status on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.